Division of line segment, sample calculator technique using Canon 789 SGA. Example number 1, the line segment joining point A 14 and point B 510 is divided into 5 equal parts. Find the point nearest to A. So ito yung section formula, internal division. Ito yung pag-solve ng x and y coordinates ng hinahanap na point. Then nandito rin ang substitution for the conventional solution. So x is 1.8 and y is 5.2. So therefore, itong point P nearest to point A, the coordinates of point P is 1.8 and 5.2. So gagamitan natin yan ng calculator technique gamit ang Canon 789 SGA. So kailangan nyo puntahan yung function na mode 2 and then i-enter nyo yung equation na alpha A plus parenthesis alpha B minus alpha A close parenthesis and alpha M. Then press calc, magtatanong yan ng A. So yung point A na 1, 4, pag nilagay mo yan dito sa mode 2, that is 1 plus 4i. Press equal sign, magtatanong ng point B. Ang point B is 510. Sa calculator na mode 2, that is 5 plus 10i. Then press equal sign, magtatanong ng M. Etong M, yan yung dami ng segment dun sa desired point. So one segment lang yan between A and P over kung ilan yung total segments. So meron tayong total segments na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, again, itong M, that is the ratio of the number of units from A to P over the total units. Kaya ang ilalagay nyo dyan, 1 over 5. Then press equal sign. Then convert to decimal. So nandyan yung X, 1.8. Then ayan yung Y, 5.2. Okay, example 2 naman tayo. Find the coordinates of the point P that divides the line segment joining point A, 2, 3, and point B, 8, 9 into the ratio 4:1 internally. So dito sa problem, yung line segment, kapag ganyang 4:1 internally, kailangang i-divide into 5 equal parts. And we need to solve the coordinates of the point nearest to B pag hindi nabanggit. So titingnan mo lang yung 4:1, ibig sabihin from A to P, 4 units. And yung 1 unit na yan from P to B. So yan yung ibig sabihin ng 4:1. Kaya dinivide sa 5 equal parts yung line segment. Okay? Then gamit uli ang formula internal division. And ito yung substitution, mag-a-arrive kayo sa x equals 6.8, y equals 7.8. Therefore, yung hinahanap na point P, yung nearest sa B, is equivalent to 6.8 and 7.8, yung kanyang coordinates. So, try naman natin yan sa calculator, Canon 789 SGA. So, punta ulit tayo sa mode 2. Then, enter natin yung formula. Alpha A plus parenthesis alpha B minus alpha A close parenthesis then alpha M. Okay? Press calc. Enter point A and that is 2, 3. Sa calculator, 2 plus 3, I. Press equal sign. Enter naman natin ang point B and that is 8, 9. So sa CalQ, 8 plus 9, I. Then press equal sign. I-enter naman natin yung M. So in this case, ang M natin is 1, 2, 3, 4 over total units na 5. So 4 over 5. Then press equal sign. Convert to decimal. And the answer is 6.8. Yung X, 7.8 para naman sa Y. Thank you for watching the sample calculator technique. See you sa mga susunod na calculator technique. And don't forget to follow or subscribe sa aming social media account.